Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is a quick tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put a censorship effect in your Filmora, or how to put censor beep in your Filmora. First thing to do is go to your Filmora application, then select any video that you want to put an effect, drop to the track editor, then find any bad words or bad sentence that you want to put a effect. Example, this one.
The fuck are you?
Sample, you want to put the effect this part. This one, have to cut it, cut the part where you want to put the censor effect. Then you have to right click on the cut part, then mute it. After that, go to audio, select sound effect, then trending, then select beep, drag it to the track editor, then just like that. Okay, let's try again to play. Okay guys, that's it.
Talking about?
So guys, if you like the tutorial, please subscribe to this channel so that you can be updated to my videos.